Facts.
Hi, welcome to Maisie Facts. Today's episode is going to be all about
tiny terrors.
And when I say
tiny terrors,
I mean bugs. How do you feel about bugs? Do they bug you? Well, today, join me in deciding which bug is the biggest terror of them all.
Hey, Maisie, I heard that this episode was all about
tiny terrors.
I just invented the shrinking spray. What if I shrink you down and you can go to the front yard and talk to them in person?
Why would you need a shrinking spray?
I was just trying to make Tic Tac-sized Cheetos. Take this notepad and I'm gonna shrink you and you can go interview
There's
them.
no way you could have invented a...
It worked!
Whoa. I'm tiny now! Now I'll get to interview these insects at their own level. Hey, Joya! Can I get a ride to the front yard? Yeah, thanks. Yeah! Let's go! Whoa! Our lawn looks like a forest! There's no doubt I'll be able to find bugs in here. Oh, fly! You're not on my list of tiny terrors I want to interrogate. But maybe I can get your opinion. Who is the most dangerous insect in the yard?
Nobody ever respects the fly. I do a lot of cool things, I'll have you know. Did you know I can blow bubbles? Yep, when I'm overheated, I blow my own bubbles to keep myself cool. And here's another cool thing. Did you know I taste with my feet? I step on things and decide whether I want to eat them. Yum, 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 yum. And then I use my long tongue to put digestive juices on it and slurp it up. Yum, yum. One of my favorite tricks is to land on poop, get it all over my feet, and then drop it off when I land on you.
That's disgusting. I don't think I want your opinion anymore.
Well, buzz off.
The first insect on my tiny terrors list is the monarch butterfly. How can that be? Did you know that monarch butterflies fly about 3,000 miles each year? They start up in Canada and migrate all the way down to Mexico for the winter. Did you know there's an easy way to tell males and females apart? Males have two symmetrical dots on the base of their wings. And speaking of their wings, they're covered with tiny scales to make them more aerodynamic.
You know, I am so shocked that you're even on my list because you are so beautiful. I love to watch you flutter around, and now I discovered that you're extremely poisonous. What's up with that?
It's not like I sting anyone or bite anybody. Yes, I'm poisonous if you eat me.
You need a monarch butterfly.
Someone who deserves revenge?
I agree. And that's why I'm marking you low on the terror meter.
Next on my list is the bee. Did you know that 1 out of every 3 bites we eat has been pollinated by bees? They gather pollen from flowers and store them in little pollen baskets on the sides of their legs. Also, did you know that bees dance? One bee will do the waggle dance to show the other bees where the pollen is. Or all the bees can dance together to scare away predators from the hive. So cool.
Bee, I am so confused about you. On the one hand, you sting people, but on the other hand, you do so much good in the world.
We sting you. Your pesticides are wiping out our bee population. And you're sure gonna miss those fruits and veggies when we're not around to pollinate them. You need us a lot more than we need you.
Those are all good points, Bee. I'm rating you medium on my terror meter. Keep up the good work, and maybe a little less stinging.
Quit stealing our honey.
Snail, take me to see some more tiny terrors in the yard. This really the fastest you could go? Never mind. It's gonna take forever. Spider! Spider! Oh, Spider. There you are. Tell me why I shouldn't rate you the most terrifying bug in the yard.
Actually, we're really shy. Did you know you're rarely more than 6 feet away from a spider? But we hide because we don't want to see you either. Very few of us have bites that are harmful to humans. Did you know that for its weight, our silk for our webs is stronger and tougher than steel? And we even dance.
You dance?
We're not terrible, we're terrific. You seem fun, and pretty small for a human. Why don't you come over to my web and I can spin you into a cocoon and eat you? I mean, we can party.
Yeah, I have some other bugs I have to interrogate, so I'll see you later. Bye. I'm rating you in the middle of my terror meter. Mosquito, I have got a bone to pick with you. You ruin picnics, outdoor parties, and days at the beach because you bite people and make them itch. Not only that, but you carry diseases that make millions of people sick each year.
Because it spreads so many horrible diseases, the mosquito is the most dangerous animal in the world. Way more dangerous than these bigger terrorists.
Are you biting someone right now? Stop that!
So good.
Maisie, are you standing on my hand?
Yeah, I am.
Is that mosquito biting me?
Yeah, it is.
Ew, make it stop.
Sorry, Joya. Mosquito, you are the worst. I'm rating you the most terrible insect on my terrometer.
It's not my fault. I was born this way.
Thank you for watching Maisie Facts, and I hope you enjoyed learning all these cool facts about tiny terrorists. Now, Joya, please make me big again. Joya? Joya?
They're brain snacks.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Joya!